You can have it all with this gorgeous home featuring expansive views, a sparkling pool, fenced pastures, workshop and barn, with room for an auto. Very private yet just minutes to town. Enjoy the big deck overlooking the pool, coastal ranges, your own green pastures and boutique vineyard. Magnificent sunsets. The immaculately maintained house is built for comfort, has excellent natural light. An open design chef's kitchen features a 5-burner stove, double ovens, granite countertops and new cabinets. The 10-long granite island seats 5, with second sink. Big walk-in butler's pantry. Home features, golden solid oak flooring, crown molding, French doors to the deck, and big windows with plantation shutters. Bathrooms recently remodeled. Spacious primary suite has a walk-in closet and an elegant suite bath with heated floors, granite countertops, and big custom shower. Attached oversized garage with epoxy floors. Additional carport/workshop. Man cave/she shed can easily be converted to a second garage if preferred. Expansive green lawns and garden area, with irrigation to the barn and vineyards. The entire property is fenced and cross-fenced. Well meets county requirements for an auto. This is a private, quiet paradise, country life with city amenities. The new Hidden Falls trails are only a half-mile away.